How to fix Snapchat our story not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat our story not working problem. So guys, please subscribe to the channel and get through the videos. So be with me, I will show you how to fix it. First of all, go to Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat, as I have already in. So if the Snapchat is asking for an update, you have to update it, as I have already updated. So now if the problem doesn't work after doing this, then you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings and then scroll down and go to app management or install apps or app application or anything you have in your phone. I have app management. Go to app management and scroll down, check it out for Snapchat. Here I got a Snapchat, click on Snapchat and you can see here force stop. Just click to force stop and you have to press on force stop button. You can see on the red color, just click on force stop and then now again you have to click on storage uses. You can see here storage uses, click to storage uses and then you have to clear all the data. Here you can see on the right hand side in red color clear, so just click in clear and also you have to clear all the cache here. Now go back, you have to clear this cache and then go back and you can see here permission. Just click to permission and you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed it, I'm doing this to make the problem solved. So now go back and check out your Snapchat as our story. If the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is just uninstall your application and then reinstall it. And what you have to do is just restart your phone and reopen the device and then check it out. Your problem will be solved 100%. So guys, please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.